Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy BZ back with another video, and today it's gonna be another trading video. And as you can see, I've been in a little slump. Before I might go 4 or 5 winning trades, things have been really difficult. I've been working on changing my strategy. Maybe there's something I'm not really seeing. The market is moving differently. Maybe something that I'm missing. So today I added a little tweak, and we're gonna see if that's gonna, really help our trading situation today. But I don't know. It's always unexpected, but that's why we do live trading, because it's the only way that you guys can learn and work with me and not repeat my mistakes. So before we jump into the video, I gotta plug myself, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to hit the notification. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment. And also don't forget the most important thing, join the Telegram channel where I give free signals every single day. On the VIP channel, it's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up and I'll let you in. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. So fam, as you can see right now, we are on the charts, and I'm gonna add only regular pairs because we are not trying to risk OTC pairs for a minute. We're gonna stay, but we are adding OTC from commodities or from stocks better, because Apple OTC has been good to me over the years, but I'm just gonna keep it there, looking at it, just like from the angle a little bit. So I'm gonna add my zigzag, my moving average, and my stochastic oscillator. If you're not new here, you already know that this is strategy that I use most of the time. I mean, strategy is a long word, is a strong word to use. It's mostly just indicators. And right now we're in Euro JPY as well as Euro CAD. So we're gonna be focusing most of that, and Euro Australian dollars as well, my bad. So we can see that the trend on Euro Japanese yen is downwards, but this is just because the yen has been falling generally. So if you're going for long trades, I would advise you to go lower. Like if you're going for a day, 2 days, as you can see, you could go as high as 4 hours on here. So I believe that the market will continue to go down. As you can see, it has been trending downwards, just even in the 1 minute time frame. If we were to go to 1 day, you can see generally the market has been trending downwards. Let's go back to 1 minute. It's a little bit more volatile. Either we wait for it to hit support here, which I'm not gonna wait. I'm just gonna go into a put with 16 seconds left. If it's gonna reverse here, I think it's going to push past this price a little bit before we even see a reversal. So that's what I'm banking on with this trade. If we go to Euro CAD, we can see also a downward trend starting, very strong candles. So our goal is, can we predict where this is going to be around here? In my mind, I'm thinking this will continue to go downwards, but also think about it. The market shouldn't turn all the way here. And I'm seeing looks like a good point to enter into another put right here. So that's 2 trades. You can see a little bit of flip here, but I don't think I'm super worried about that. You can see our stochastic oscillator showing that we are below 20, which means we're in oversold conditions, which usually will signal the beginning of a rise, but at the same time, it might stick around in oversold for a while. As you can see, they are fighting to keep that price up. And as you can see, we've taken the profits on one of our trades. And now we're seeing this huge fight between the buyers and the sellers, just pushing that price. At 1 second left, we can see that ended up in the green. 17 seconds. Good. 12, 11, 10. So I think only on that candle we saw a huge, fight from the buyers, really pushing that price up in that 1 minute time frame. And we're able to start with a almost $2,000 win. I think that's good. Let's keep it going. So now we've seen, I said it just like I said before with Euro JPY, that we're gonna see this price pull past here, and now we're waiting for a reversal, which now it's a lot more difficult to predict, right? Because you've seen the price has been high. Here is the lowest point here at 166.286. 16286. we're not there yet. But I might start a little earlier and enter into a call. A little risky trading against the trend. Obviously, this risk that you're willing to take, hoping that the market turns in that direction. But once you look at it, you've seen how the markets have been flowing. You're expecting one of these candles to be bullish. Not completely bullish, but a little bit at least, to get to a point where you can get a win. But as you can see, trading against the trend can always come back to bite you in the behind. But I don't really see much wick. I see them pushing the price up. Come on, buyers, let's push it up. 10 seconds left. Looks like it's going to be a loss for us on this as well. But we'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it, we'll take it. Price is still pushing downwards. Hard. All right, so here we're still pushing. We can see the market is still pushing downwards. And if we're expecting that this is a point where the market is going to switch off, I mean, not switch off, my bad, turn. It's going to be a moment where the market's going to turn around. We might as well just follow the bullish candle here and not make the same mistakes as before. So trying to follow the bearish candle. Oh, my mind is all over the place today. Bearish candle. We can see the price being pushed up, but I think generally the sellers are going to win this. You can just see how strong the other candles have been. Look, it's the longest wick with sun here. This scene here, sun. What the hell, bro? The hell is wrong with me today? It's the longest push we've seen from the buyers, and now we're seeing them making another move in the markets right now. But you can see the sellers trying to, trying to force against them. But it's not really working. But I think I might double up and enter again if my price doesn't hit my price, which 7 seconds left. The probability is very low on that. So we're starting to see now short candles are coming in. We're in oversold conditions. We didn't hit this point right here. So seeing a reversal here might just be the market repeating right here at the top, highest point. And we don't want to get faked out by this candle. So we're looking at, look how much they pushed that price up. So for that alone, I didn't want to enter the third. I thought the double trade didn't enter, but it registered immediately. But just seeing how far the price had been pushed up means that the sellers really have the momentum in this part. And hoping that they keep that momentum up is a lot more, it's a lot easier said than done, honestly. So as you can see, it's not looking great for this 6K. Right now, we've got about 30 seconds left. But I can see it about to touch 20. So this might be a situation where we get bailed out a little with 20 seconds left. So let's come on, just touch the last price right there. You can see a lot of fluctuation in the market, but even if I lose the 2K at the top, I'll make up for it with these 2 trades. But it looks like I might just take profit on all 3 of them. One took profit, got money back on the other. So as you can see, no, it ended up as a loss. No, I got money back on it. Not a loss. It's not a loss. So the only loss was the price over. So this is a little worrying for me because I'm really thinking that the market should be going up here, and I'm sure. I might enter into another call. You can see that there's a huge battle between the buyers and sellers. Look at the fluctuation of the candles. It's really giving. Oh, that's a bad one right there. That's a bad one. All right, let's go back to Euro JPY, and we can see the market starting to pull up right here. So we're expecting it to stop at 168, but now we're seeing it's like isolated looking up, but we're still below our 200 EMA, and our zigzag is still showing downwards. This looks like it's another loss for us. on EuroCAD. I think we'll go one big trade, try to make it all conducive, try to make it all okay. We're seeing rally in the market, but at the same time, we're seeing pullbacks, all types of stuff. But I think that this buyers really have this. This price should be pushed a little higher. If we take profit on this, that'll probably be our last trade of the day. So when it comes to losses, we have 4, 5, 6, about 6 random losses. And wins, we have about 1,800, 1,840, and 1,840. So this might bring it even for us, or even a little bit of a positive trading session. As you can see, over the last couple of days, it has become really difficult, but we're always trying here to make profits, make them as quickly as possible, but looks like we're taking another loss, a huge loss that I can't seem to get away from this huge losses. Another 5K loss. God damn. In one session, we're down, got 5K, 2, 4, 9, 10, 11. We're down 11 grand. And all of our losses have all been us trying to see that the price is going differently. I thought that would be our last trade, but I think we could make a late comeback. And now we see a bullish candle in here, but we still don't see a reversal. Here as well, I'm just gonna sit and wait. Price is still hanging around 20 here. So probably I should have took that as like a sign, because you see after that, the price is moving sideways. When we come back over here, we're starting to see a little bit of a movement. So I'll take that. I'll double it too. This is the trade to save it all. This is the trade to put us back in the money. We like adversity, so you know, this is probably it right here. All in. Trying to make that back the 11K we done lost on this trade. Come on, 30 seconds. Now we can see just picking up on 20. God damn, guys. This was it. It was supposed to be the trade. 10 seconds. There's no way. There's no way we're seeing a quick reversal here to a point where it's profitable. Oh my God, last minute win on both of those trades. The market pulls up. What a ride. What an emotional ride that was. Oh my God. That is great. Okay. That is probably a sign for us to stop trading today. You can see the amount of losses that we had, but we were able to come back with like 2 5K trades. And I've heard a lot of people say, why can you do 5K trades? It's because I have Guru right here. You can see Guru. When you have Guru, you can do 5K and even 10K trades, both on your real and on your demo accounts. So most definitely, that's why I could do those trades. So thank you guys for joining me again for another session. Difficult session, but you can see we pulled out in the end. We're able to take a little bit of profit. And we'll just continue to move little. But you can see the amount of losses that we've been having. Even though that most of the time we come back, you see 3 trades lost here, but we come back with a little bit of profit. Here the same, you know, we had a couple of losses here and there. But we're pulling it all together, trying to become more profitable. You know, it's really difficult. And that's why I show you this video so you can see what a live trader really goes through on a daily basis. So thank you for joining me. For another video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget the most important thing, join Telegram channel. A group of people trying to make money, try to change their lives. Free signals every single day, as well as a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up. Links to the Telegram will be in the description, so don't forget to use it. It's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.